Tonight's inspirational moment comes from Power Thoughts. If you can dream it, you can do it by Robert Schuller. Most people don't know this. It's true. Build a dream, and the dream builds you. Walt Disney had a dream to make a feature-length animated motion picture. In the 1930s, this was unheard of. No one had ever done it before. Walt went ahead and started making Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. He spent millions of dollars building that dream. In the 1930s, millions of dollars was an incredible amount of money to spend on a movie. Before it was over, Disney spent more money on Snow White than any studios had invested in Gone with the Wind and The Wizard of Oz combined. Disney hired hundreds of artists, animators he called them. Good animators are rare. Their work requires flawless artistry combined with vivid creative imagination. By the time he was halfway through the project, the ranks of Disney had increased over to 1,000 people. Disney allowed nothing to stand in his way of his dream. He knew he was onto something. If a technique or a camera didn't exist for what he wanted to do, then the Disney people invented one. Disney began working on Snow White in 1934. The film was released to critical acclaim for 4 years, and in 1937, the rest is, of course, history. If not for Snow White, there would be no Pinocchio, no Peter Pan, no Bambi, no Beauty and the Beast. There would be no Disneyland. All these dreams were built on Snow White. Disney invested every dime he had and borrowed from everyone he could, borrowed from until they said no more. He made the dream he called Snow White come true. That was his dream. Look what it built for him when he built the dream. So, what's your dream tonight? Don't be afraid to start building it. Start right now. Do something to get your dream going today. Put down the cornerstone. The sooner you do, the sooner your dream will build you.
Subscribe to the William Pace Show YouTube channel. Be sure to click the bell and give us the thumbs up. Thank you.